Alright, so now we'll be looking at some physical properties of acid. Physical properties of acid. Now the first one we'll be looking at is dilute acid has a sour taste. Another physical property of acid is acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Now you can confirm this in the laboratory, but you need to ensure that you are supervised with the proper supervisor. Now the last physical property of acid is concentrated form of strong acid. Now remember I said that strong acid are mostly inorganic acid, and inorganic acid are also known as mineral acids. Now concentrated form of strong acid is corrosive. Now corrosive is harmful. Now these are some physical properties of an acid. Now the next one we'll be looking at here is the chemical properties of acid. Now the first chemical property of an acid we'll be looking at is, now acid reacts with metals. Now an example of the metals acid can react with is zinc, e.g. zinc. Now the second chemical property of an acid we'll be looking at is acid can also react with base and alkalis to form salt and water only. Now when we look at base, you're going to understand what this concept means, what this second property, chemical property of an acid means. Now, to form salt and water only. Now the last chemical property of an acid that I'll be looking at is an acid can also react with, it reacts with trioxo carbonate 4. Now these are just some chemical properties of an acid. Now in our next class we'll be looking at base. I hope this class was fun and I hope it was simplified. Thank you for learning with us and see you in our next class.